shit, dude.
Oh, God. Truck's a pigsty.
I know. We got another way to put a cat stick or some shit like that? What is it?
I can't.
It's cat stick, right?
Cat steak.
Ah! You asshole! No! Let me go! Get out of the truck! Get out of the truck! Get out! I talked to you about that! Let him go!
You asshole!
Go inside!
This is a joke, Joe.
Let him go.
What is this, just a yard full of assholes?
Fucking asshole! You scared the shit out of me, dude.
Look at your car.
Fucking shit,
You
man.
dumb son of a bitch, motherfucker!
You need to stop fucking playing with us, man.
I swear to God, he's gonna give me a heart attack, the dumb son of a bitch. That dumb son of a bitch.
Puto!